Hello, my name is Daniel Yuck. Thank you for watching me today. I appreciate you, your time, and your support. In today's video, it is a bit of a special one for me as we will be unboxing my 100K YouTube award. This is for reaching the 100,000 subscriber milestone. We are going to be unboxing it, taking a close-up look at it. By the end of this video, you will know what to expect from your 100K award. Should you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, let's get right on into this. First and foremost, I want to give a million thank yous to each and every one of you that chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm genuinely grateful for you, your time, and your support. I also want to give thanks to everyone who chooses to simply click on a video and watch one. I'm grateful for everyone who drops a comment and everyone in between. I'm truly grateful and I'm genuinely appreciative of you, your time, and your support. Without you all, none of this would be possible. I'm going to continue to give back. I'm going to continue to provide as much as I can. I'm going to continue to help you in the best possible direction. This is a very exciting time for me, and I hope it is for you. I felt it was only right to unbox this with you all here on camera, kind of bridging that gap right there, because I felt like we did this together. This was definitely a team effort all around. When I was younger, I always wanted to be a part of something. I always wanted to be a part of a team or something good, something that stood for something. And lo and behold, that growing up, I would have that team. I would be a part of something. I just didn't imagine it would be this. And again, that's another thing that I give a million thanks to and that I'm genuinely grateful for. We're going to run through a traditional review here where I show you the box full 360. You can see that it's all black for this 100K award, and then the YouTube on the front is white. So depending on the creator award we are getting, I'm not sure if that's going to determine the color of the box. However, for this 100K award, we have the black box here with YouTube in white. I'm going to get the X-Acto now. We're going to remove these tape slits right here so that way we can open the box and take a look at what's inside. I suppose that I am in a state of disbelief. I do have a YouTube plaque with my name on it, and for me, I don't think that I even fully understand or grasp that concept. I am grateful for this opportunity. I am grateful for this award right here. Don't get me wrong, but the idea, I guess that concept, I guess for me personally, is really hard to set in. It's just something really hard to believe. This is so left field for me. I really didn't expect for it to happen when I first started, again, because when I first started uploading, there wasn't much happening. I didn't have traction or anything like that, which brings me to my point. If you are a creator and you're struggling, I encourage you to stick with it. Try to always better your craft and try to always progress in a forward manner. Try to always do something a little bit different than the day before. Get a little bit better each and every day, and a little is enough. I think the trick for me was I'm not trying to be the best. I'm trying to be the best that I can be. I really feel like if we stick with it, keep pushing front and bettering ourselves, we will be awarded. When we open up the box here, this is what we are greeted with within the 100K Creator Award. This is a foam sheet to protect our award. Let me go ahead and remove that so we can look at what's underneath. This right here is a letter from YouTube along with a card. As for the paper and card here, the card is going to be from who inspected and packaged my award here, and that is going to be Rick. Thank you very much, Rick. I'm grateful for your time and your effort here. I appreciate you. Now, if you're not familiar with the process on how to go about redeeming a 100K Creator Plaque Award, I went ahead and I made a video showing you all how I went about doing that. That is available on my YouTube channel, and I'll card it above. The letter right here is from YouTube, so feel free to pause so that we can thoroughly read through this on your end. For me personally, I do love the fact that it came with this sort of card certificate and this letter. It really does feel more personal to me, not to mention the award itself, which is right here. So you can see the award comes wrapped in a very thin, clear plastic. This is the big moment. This right here is our 100K YouTube Creator Plaque Award. Right here you can see we did hit the 100,000 subscriber milestone with my YouTube channel name, Daniel Yuck, right there on it. It is a genuine honor. I am truly grateful, man. I am genuinely thankful, and again, I won't ever have the words to express it because it's just so left field for me. This isn't something that I would have ever prepared for or even thought that would happen to me. So therefore, I can't have words to express my gratitude rather than try to help as much as I can and give back, which is what I'm going to continue to do. And in the back of the Creator Award, it looks as though we have a little sort of flyer and a little pack of dry beads there to keep our Creator Award nice and dry along the way. This right here is the Creator Award up close. Let's go ahead and get it out of this plastic wrapping here and take a close-up look at the Creator Award here. Now, removing the packaging right here, you can see this is the Creator Award. The play button has like a mirror there. You can see that there's actually smudges there. I'm not sure if those were from Rick himself, but I'm genuinely grateful for the smudges as well. I can just simply take a microfiber cloth and take those off. That's not a big deal at all. This is still a very big moment for me, and I'm truly grateful for this opportunity. But I hope that it really shows within this camera here that the play button backing, that really shiny part's actually a mirror. It looks to feel, I mean, it does have some weight to it and it does feel all metal. This is the front of it. I'm not sure if it's aluminum or a nickel sort of metal, but it is all metal. The whole thing is of a metal material. That middle part right there again is like a sort of glass mirror, and this is the backing right here. Now, amongst the smudges and the felt being dirtied right here, I'm genuinely not mad at it at all. This is again still a very big moment for me. These slots are to hang on our wall, so if you want to use these to go ahead and hang it up, you can go ahead and do so. Display it however you want. I'm personally going to use a skateboard stand to display my Creator Award just because I feel like that's much more efficient for me. I could move it around, kind of stand it where I want. It's more mobile that way. One thing that I want to point out is the plaque itself is not a full metal piece of slab. The inside is actually hollowed and it's actually put together, I'm assuming, in pieces here. So the inside is hollowed out to my understanding. I don't think that it's full, it's a full sheet of metal here, but it does feel heavy. It does have a nice weight to it, and it does not feel cheaply made by any means, shape, or form here. I am going to clean up all these smudges here in a moment, so don't worry about that. This is the underside and this is the right side right here. But at first glance, I don't notice any harsh damages or nicks or anything that would stand out. So all in all, the plaque itself came in very good condition, I would say. Just a few smudges, that's nothing that can't be taken care of. So you can see though, this is close up. This is what the 100K YouTube Creator Award looks like. You can see that I got our plaque all cleaned up and it looks nice. It reads well. I feel it looks just as it should look right here. I know that the play button looks black from this angle, but I assure you it's a mirror. It is not black. It's gonna reflect whatever's in front of it. This is the review. This is what we can expect when receiving a 100K YouTube Creator Award, maybe minus some smudges, maybe a little more, give or take, who's to say. I want to show you a little close-up look here on the craftsmanship of this 100K Creator Award. You can see that it's nicely put together, that these seams fit flush and nicely together. There's no adversities, like nothing stands out. Everything is flushly put together. So I was curious when I was filling out before I received the award if it was going to be like a solid piece of metal, if it was going to be heavy. I was curious about all of these variables, but it's not. It's actually in fact a hollowed out piece of metal here that we can hang on our wall. And I assume that it is hollowed out for weight purposes, so that way if we were to hang it up, it's less likely to fall off walls. That'll be it for this video. I hope that this can give you a better understanding as to what you can expect when receiving a 100K YouTube Creator Award plaque. I feel like this will be a great place to conclude this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that bell for me, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, all under Daniel Yuck. I would appreciate the support over there as well. With that being said, I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Are you wanting to develop your tattooing skill sets? Now you can practice and develop anytime, any place with an assortment of tattooing workbooks that I've created. With these assorted tattooing workbooks, we can practice our basic lining all the way to advanced lining. We can practice shading, shading placement, dot work, textures, and more. All we are gonna need is a tattoo workbook of mine. We can use a pencil, pen. We can even use a tattoo machine with a ballpoint cartridge to develop our tattooing abilities further. That means that we don't need tattoo ink, we don't need napkins or petroleum jelly to get to practicing. Simply open one of my tattooing workbooks and get going. It really is that easy. You can get your hands on one of my developmental tattooing assorted workbooks by simply clicking the links in my description or in the pinned comment section below, or navigate navigating on over to Amazon.com, typing in Daniel Yuck, and you'll see all of the assorted tattoo workbooks that I've created come up. If you have an Amazon account, be sure to follow my Amazon author page as well, as I would greatly appreciate your support. Should you have any questions at all, drop them in the comment section down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's get right back into this video. Are you needing or wanting tattoo guidance? What about 4K high quality step-by-step follow-along tattoo sessions? Or maybe one-on-one tattoo support to get answers to your questions that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist? You can now become a Patreon where you will gain access to high quality 4K exclusive step-by-step follow-along tattoo sessions. I will be tattooing with you in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I will be explaining what I am doing and why every step of the way. I will also be doing this in a high quality 4K format for your optimal viewing experience. On top of the one-on-one support and on top of the step-by-step tattoo session guidance, you will also gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and place on your end to further develop your skill sets. I will leave a link for you in the description or in the pinned comment section below, or you can head on over to patreon.com/Daniel Yuck. When you become a Patreon, you will be getting one-on-one support where you can ask me as many questions as you'd like that are specifically tailored to your wants and needs as the artist. You will gain access to exclusive tattoo stencils that you can download and practice on your end. You'll also gain access to exclusive high quality 4K footage where I walk you through each and every tattoo session in a one-on-one step-by-step manner where I explain all the what's and whys along the way. Become a Patreon today. Thank you for your support in advance. I greatly appreciate you.